Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our General English class. Do you remember what we learnt yesterday? Yesterday we discussed about the definite article and we also learnt about 3 rules where to use definite article. Let us revise those 3 rules and then move ahead with the next rule. Okay? So, what was the first rule which we learnt, students? The first rule was that we use the to refer to something which is already mentioned, as we have already read that we use the in order to mention the things which are already known to the speaker or the listener. And the second rule was to specify with further description. So we use the when a particular thing has been described with a more detail, then we use the for that thing. For example, it is given over here, Soma bought the box with a green lid. So the box is been described with the green lid. Okay, then the third rule is the is used when the situation or the context makes it clear what is being spoken about, right? That means we use the in order to describe things of particular place or situation, as if for example it is given turn on the fan. So if you are sitting in bedroom, you'll turn on the bedroom's fan, right? And if you are sitting in hall, you'll turn on the fan of the hall only. So that is the places where we use the when the things and the places are known both to the speaker and the listener. Okay, now let's move ahead to the fourth rule, and the fourth rule says we use the when we are talking about something that is unique or the only one of its kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the world. We have already read that the things which are particular, unique or one of its own kind, we place the before them, right? The fifth rule is we use the with superlative forms. This also we have read already, that whenever we do a comparison and we use a superlative degree. Now you know now what is positive, comparative and superlative degree. In adjective chapters we have already discussed about it, students. Superlative degree means we have the comparison with the whole class. जैसे शी इज़ द टॉलेस्ट गर्ल इन द क्लास, तो कोई लड़की अगर सबसे लंबी है क्लास में, देन वी यूज द टॉलेस्ट गर्ल. सो वेन एवर वी आर यूजिंग सुपरलेटिव वी यूज द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इट्स गिवन Harish is the most successful tennis player, the most successful. Team 3 completed their round the fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. So superlative is there, that's why you will use the. Okay, now the sixth rule says that the is used with adjectives like first, last, only, sole, etc. Now this point you need to remember, right? The is used with adjectives like first, last, only, sole, etc. For example, the first man to climb Mount Everest. The only dinosaur fossil found in Assam. The sole survivor of the plane crash. This is also a kind of unique thing or one of its own type, right? And so we use the. So you need to remember the words. First, last, only, sole. ऐसे अगर words होते then also you will be using the. Okay. So what do you understand from 4, 5 and 6 rule? That the is used to talk about unique or only kind of thing. जैसे the sun, the moon, the sky. Then we use the with superlative forms. The most successful, the fastest. Along with that, the is used with adjectives like first, last, only, sole, etc. The first man, the only dinosaur fossil, the sole survivor. Understood? You need to remember the words and the rules thoroughly, then only you can properly use articles. Okay, students? Now rule number 7 says the is used with expressions like some of, a few, none of, most of, etc. Some of the travelers, a few of the parrots. Here also, students, you are supposed to learn and remember the words which are there. as if some of, a few, none of, most of, etc. So these words whenever we use, we are supposed to use the. Okay. The eighth rule says that the has a generic use to refer to all examples of something. Okay. That means if we are talking about a particular class, जैसे the poor people, the rich people, the students of the school. So when we are talking about such kind of group of people, right, then also we will use the. For example, here it is given, the lion-tailed macaque is a rare monkey. That is a rare type of monkey. Okay, the reference is to all the lion-tailed macaques. So ये एक type का monkey है जो बहुत ही rare मिलता है. Okay, rare मतलब बहुत कम दिखाई देता है, जल्दी से देखने को मिलता नहीं है. And the second example is the goalkeeper is an important part of the team. Reference is to all the goalkeepers in general. तो जो भी टीम में गोलकीपर होता है वो सब इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. तो कोई एक टीम के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे, जितने भी गोलकीपर हैं उन सबके लिए बोल रहे. सो इट इज यूज्ड टू रेफर टू all of a team or all of a category. Okay. The ninth rule is we use the with adjectives to make them nouns. Now this is very important. When we use the with some adjectives, then noun is made. Understand? जब adjective के साथ में the use होता है तो वो noun बन जाती है. That's the magic. The poor, that means the poor people. That is a particular group of people, right? The talented people or the talented ones, students or boys or girls, anything who are talented. The unknown means the things which are not known. So whenever the is added to adjectives, then we get a noun. Okay, this is very important. Do learn it properly. The is used with the names of some geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges and oceans. This already we have learnt. When we read out the slides before starting the chapter, we have read that to some geographical areas we use the in order to indicate them. Like the Caribbean, the Sahara, the Nile, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean, right? And more of, we also use the with the names of holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible. So in this way the is used. Now these 10 rules are very important, students. You are supposed to learn them thoroughly, because in this chapter you are going to have an exercise where you are not supposed to use the. आपको कुछ जगह पे the, a और an नहीं लगाना है. A and an is easy because consonant and vowel sounds we can get, but for the you need to learn these rules. Then only you can understand where you are supposed to add the and where you are supposed not to add the. Understood this much? So these 10 rules you will be writing in your general English notebook. When I will give you the definition part की definition कौन सी लिखनी है तब मैं आपको बताऊंगी. At that time I will tell you which tables to write in your general English notebook. Now let's move ahead to the next part. Okay. Now students will move ahead to the next part of the chapter, that is using no article or zero article. तो अब तक जब 5th standard तक हम पढ़ते थे, we have read about and learnt about how to use articles, right? कौन सी जगह पे article लगेगा. लेकिन this time we are going to learn about where we are not supposed to use an article. Article कहाँ पे use नहीं करना है. Okay? So let's read about it. Using no article or the zero article indicates indefinite meaning. The list below tells when not to use any article. So here is a list which is given on page number 44 and page number 45, and it tells us where we are supposed not to use an article. The first point says that we use no article when there are other words like this, that, my, his, another, etc. अब ऐसा अगर लिखा है this, that, my, his, another, ये सब words अगर already है noun के आगे तो the नहीं लगाने का. कैसा लगेगा? देखो, this house, अगर हम the लगाते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? this the house. द दिस हाउस, ऐसा होता है क्या कभी? नहीं, इसलिए द नहीं लगाने का. माई बोट, द माई बोट, माई द बोट, ऐसा कभी भी होता नहीं है. सो वो we avoid using the. Okay, in such cases when there is already some possessive pronoun or demonstrative pronoun, ऐसा कुछ भी अगर है तो हमें the लिखना नहीं है. Understood students? It doesn't make a proper sense, so we avoid writing the at such places. That is a very important thing you need to understand. Fine. Let's move ahead to the second point. The second point is given on page number 45 of our textbook. Second point says, no article is used when we talk about abstract ideas that are uncountable. Abstract means you are knowing. Yes, do you remember? Abstract nouns we have already read about. Abstract nouns means those nouns which can only be felt. We cannot touch it, like hatred, anger, hunger. Okay, those all kind of feelings that are included in abstract noun. So whenever there is an abstract noun, we will use no article. For example, knowledge is power. Can we use the knowledge is the power? No, that doesn't suit. So knowledge is power is written as it is. No article is used over there. Then the third point says, we do not use articles with uncountable nouns when we are talking about something in general. जब हम अनकाउंटेबल चीजों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और जनरली बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो पूरा ग्रुप इंक्लूड हो जा रहा है, तब द यूज नहीं करना है. जैसे डू यू लाइक म्यूजिक, क्या हम ऐसा लिखेंगे? डू यू लाइक द म्यूजिक? नो, do you like music is the correct structure of the sentence, right? Similarly, the next example is, ask Ajay to buy rice from the store. So do we write ask Ajay to buy the rice from the store? No, in front of the, which is an uncountable noun, and it is being told in general. So before the rice we will not write the. Okay, article is avoided. Then the fourth point says that we do not use articles when talking about things in general using plural nouns. Bikers must wear helmets. General talk है. Okay, और plural nouns भी है. Bikers मतलब जितने भी बाइक चलाने वाले लोग हैं उन सबको इंक्लूड किया है. और हेलमेट्स जो उनको पहनने चाहिए कंपलसरी, वो इंक्लूड किया है. तो हम ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे द बाइकर्स मस्ट वेयर द हेलमेट्स. नो, दैट्स रॉन्ग. Because we are talking about things in general and we are using the plural nouns. Understood students? So for today you will be reading out 1, 2, 3 and 4 points from your textbook and revising them properly along with the rules where we are supposed to use those 10 points, and these 4 points you will be reading out students. That's your homework for today. Do understand each and every point. We'll be discussing tomorrow also, right? For today, you'll be doing that much as your homework. You'll be learning those rules. That is on page number 43 and 44. All the 10 points you'll be learning. And here 1, 2, 3 and 4 points you'll be learning. That's all for today, students. See you tomorrow.